discussed by akina Kanini Kega through their tweets over the weekend. So it is clear that within the system, they are the ones in charge of that process, and they are the ones pushing for the collapse of Jubilee as one of the parties that is targeted within Azimio fraternity, and it is a clear indication of their desire to kill multi-partyism in this country. We have done a letter to the tribunal, which will be delivered today, complaining about the availability of their judgments, and especially those by the majority, because the minority judgments are not available ahead of the time. Where they are writing them, sasa imekuwa igine. Those people held meetings in bars to plan for the ouster of Jubilee. This group of tribunal members are also writing their judgments in bars, those in the majority. And that is why we are where we are. So I want to say that whatever it is that we do, we have hope that the High Court would deal with the matter. We will move to the next level, that is the High Court. And we have faith that the High Court, like it has demonstrated, will deliver better judgment on this matter than before. Kwa members wa Jubilee, chama ODM without Raila is not. Chama si tu ati kwa sababu mtu amechukua bakuri, utaenda na hiyo bakuri yako mwenyewe. We know what we are doing. We, the genuine leaders of Jubilee, will give the final direction when and as it becomes necessary. But for now, let us remain united within Azimio and pushing for this maandamano. Kesho mtokee, wale wameimba chama wawaone ya kwamba mnajielewa, nyinyi sio buffoons kama wale. Asanteni sana.